Hi, Mary Knippel, your writing mentor, here with a little writing insight. This week I witnessed a Midwestern thunderstorm, and it occurred to me how much our writing has in common with a thunderstorm. The intensity and the passion of thunder and lightning, where our words can produce intense passion and reaction from our readers. Also, when we listen to the gentle rain on the rooftop, it's like a lullaby or a way that we can be comforted and soothed, and our words can do that as well. When we're taking our readers along into another dimension or inviting them to participate in an event that we're planning. So good writing is a combination of what happens in a thunderstorm. There's passion and there's intensity, but there's also comfort and nourishment. So it's just an idea, something for you to think about and digest and use as you will. Mary Knippel, your writing mentor, with a little writing insight. yourwritingmentor.com